Hello, my beautiful people. Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to make your tomato paste. The best way to make your tomato and it looks smooth and creamy. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you make your tomatoes paste. Look at it. We've already washed the tomato and we parboil it. Now I'm going to grind it. As I'm going to blend it now, you will see how the tomato will come out just like paste. So like this channel, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of my videos. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we make tomato paste. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to my channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of my videos. Thank you. So guys, when you get your tomato, you washed it, parboil it. This one that you are seeing it here is already parboiled. You see how it is. Then the next day, the tomato is well cold enough so that you can blend it. So it is cold now. I'm going to blend it. You don't need to take off the skin. If you like, you can take off the skin. But in this one here, I'm not going to take the skin. You see how it is? I only take off the skin if I want to make ketchup. So now I'm making tomato paste. So I don't need to take off the skin. I'm going to add a little water to help the blender.